Chief Executive Member CEM ke Jainti Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC Uma Thombor Shiwat hakahnyau trik leber ula Wanrah ke Mang Tyngka ke Beduna kat lai klur san pukhandai lak lai pu hendriu hajar praspa tingka na ke benta usnam arhajar arpusau arhajar arpusan habakaran ha ke dorbar Mang Tyngka joka council Uma Shiwat ula ong baka jingyo lum khajana na ki jingdon jing em jong ka council kalong ar pukhandai klur lai pu pralak ar pulai hajar praspa tingka bat na ka baha ling ba ka khajana ka sorkar kalong khandai pu hinyo klur san pau lak tingka bat ki jingera pisa ling ba ka sorkar hinyo pu hinyo klur hinyo pu saw lak khandai pu khandai hajar hinyo spa tingka kumta ka Mang Tyngka balapan kre na ka benta usnem Mang Tyngka arhajar arpusau arhajar arpusan kalong lingba ka jingyo lum ka ba arspa saw klur hendriu pulai lak arpulai hajar sanspa tingka na ka jing penut ka ba arspa khat phra klur arpu arlak hendriu pho hajar lai spa tingka kata ka Mang Tyngka ka baduna da khat lai klur san pukhandai lak lai pu hendriu hajar praspa tingka ong UCEM Open tip babaro ka jingyo ulum khajana jong ka council house na Mang Tyngka arhajar arhajar arpulai kalong sispa khalai klur hendriu pu arlak sau pu hendriu hajar hendriu pu sau tingka kata na baro ka jing penlut ka bakot syaka sispa khanyo klur pra pu wei lak pra pu pra hajar sispa pra san tingka ya ka jing duna kaba sau klur khat khandai lak sau pu ar hajar sispa ar phui tingka lala ban khlie na ka batam hakisnam ki baladep hakabaya dei bad uni usnam Mang Tyngka ar hajar ar phulai ar hajar ar pusau UCEM ula ong ba ka executive committee ling ba ka jing peteng bor ba kalayo lum khajana hadu sau pu hendriu klur hendriu phulai lak nyo pho hajar san spa tingka na ki marpo khndo ki bakong san bat khalai klur khandai pu hendriu lak pra pu hendriu hajar san spa khat khandai tingka na ki marpo khndo ki barit kat ba ki khajana ling ba ki kali kalong da khat sau klur san pho lak khandai phulai hajar lai spa khat khandai tingka ya ki bala yo lum kat hadu menta kajing bha ya ka khajana bala pelat da ka sorkar jilla lembat ki wei pat ki khajana bala yo pedang da ka council la pendan kam ha ka bas yo ye ki tulap badang sa teng jong ki dekhot ki nong trei bat ki pensioner jong ka council kata nalor ka jing penpha ya ka ram basipor bala shim na ki tna trei kam jong ka sorkar nalor ki wei pat ki jing pelut jong ka office ong UCEM ha kabaya dei bat ka jingyo pedang ya ki jingera pisa na ka sorkar la ban kedo ha ka nikas nem Mang Tyngka arhajar arpulai arhajar arpusau khan nyo lak tingka la yo pedang ling ba ka land reform scheme kat ba ki scheme bala bei da ka sorkar pedang ka council la khmi linti ba kan yo pedang lai klur san pusau lak nyo hajar nyo spa tingka kum ka first installment na ka digital India land record modernization program ula banrap ban shim ya kisin jam halor kani ke jingduna UCEM ula ong ba ka executive committee kala shim ya kisin jam ban penyar ya ka jingyo lum khajana na ka benta jong ka council kani kan thup halor ka jingwanra ya ka Jainti Hills Autonomous District Council Village and Town Development Council Bill arhajar arpulai ya kani ka bill lawanra hapo ka ying dorbar ha ka dorbar talang ka balalong ha ka khandai trik unai wing arhajar arpulai bat ya kani ka ju lapha sya ulat ka jilla na ka benta banyo ya ka jing menjur nalor kata ka council kala shimru ya ka rai ban thau ya ka village and town administration department ka ban khmi halor ka jing pentrei kam ya ka building bylaw ka banyara ban kentiu ban penne ya ka plating ka jong ka council ling ba ka jing a jing bit na ka benta ki kam te ying te sem bat ki benta ki badan jinga dei bat kani UCEM upentip ru baling ba katanan art and culture an penmi ya ka jing penbena pat ba khnang ba ki jaka jingo kai ki baladon lepa bat ki kenhun ki bayadan benta ki jaka trikam shimet ki breu ki bathmu ban plie ya ki jaka jingo kai bathmai ki dei banyo ya ka permission no objection certificate na ka district council Ban penduna ya ka jing penlut ka council ba ha uni usnam en pendunaru ya kinong tre ka council syaka 1000 arspa praphunrio na ka 1000 laispa laipusan bat kiwe ki jing penlut la penduna.
The estimated receipt and expenditure of the Vegetable District Council for the ensuing fiscal year 2024-25, which are to be credited or credited to or is to be made from the district fund of the District Council as laid down in Rule 109 of the Assam and Meghalaya District Constitution of the District Council Rule 91 as adopted and amended by this District Council. At the very outset, before the Address House deliberate the proposed budget, I'd like to draw the attention of the Honourable Member to the actual receipt of the Council from all sources in the financial year 22-23, which was rupees 130 crore 62 lakh 46,060 crore, only against the total expenditure of rupees 117 crore 81 lakh 88,185 only. The deficit of the board was 19 lakh 42,121. Only was made from surplus of previous year. The detail of the actual receipt and expenditures may be verified from the actual column of the 22-23 shown in the budget. With regard to the current financial year 23-24, the Executive Committee, through its continuous effort, received of rupees 46 crore 60 lakh 70,500 only from major mineral and 13 crore 96 lakh 86,519 only from minor mineral. Whereas from taxes on motor vehicles, an amount of rupees 14 crore 50 lakh 93,319 only have received till date. The share of revenue released by the state government, along with other revenue received of this council, have been utilized for payment of the pending salary of the members, employees, pensioners of our council. Besides, the fundable of the temporary loan taken from civil work department and other unavoidable contingencies expenditure incurred by the office. It may be mentioned that during the current financial year 2023-24, is rupees 17 lakh only has been received from land reform scheme, whereas from the centrally sponsored scheme, this council is expected to receive an amount of rupees 3 crore 54 lakh 700 only as first installment from Digital India Land Reform Modernization Program (DIRFP). Coming to the matter in hand, it may be mentioned that the estimated receipt from the council owns is rupees 29 crore 38 lakh 23,800 only, and from the share of revenue from the government is rupees 97 crore 50 lakhs only, while the receipt from the government grant is rupees 77 crore 74 lakhs 99,000 700 Thus, the proposed budget estimated from the ensuing financial year 24-25 where an estimated receipt of rupees 204 crore 63 lakh 23,500 as against the estimated expenditure of rupees 280 crore 22 lakh 60,300 only, thus reflecting a deficit of rupees 30 crore 59 lakh 36,880. To overcome the deficit, the State Committee has undertaken the following steps in order to augment the revenue received of the Council. 1. Introducing the JHADC Autonomous State Council, Village and Town Development Council, Bill 2023. The bill has been placed in the House during the bynta session held on the 9th November 2023. The same is now being sent to the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya for receiving his assent. Number 2. Creation of Village and Town Administration Department to look after the implementation of building bylaw, which will help in improving the financial stability of this country through its building permission, fees, and such like matters. Number 3. Through its Arts and Culture Department to issue a public notification so that existing tourist spot and the stakeholder private enterprise persons who seek to open a new tourist spot shall obtain permission and no person certificate from this state council. New augmentation committee, which was created by notification number JHADC 15/2023 dated 5/9/2023 to examine, determine, and propose all possible ways to identify the resources where revenue can be generated for improving the financial position of the country. Besides the 12 of the already assigned to the committee, it may be noted that the strength of force in the coming financial year has been reduced to 1,186 from 1,330. And in order to minimize expenditure, the proposed estimate on contingency expenses has been reduced to minimum extent. With great pleasure, I take this opportunity to apprise before this House up to the years 2022-23 and submitted to the Principal Accountant General, Meghalaya Syllad. The position of the mission of annual account of the Council is now up to date. Also, for an effective internal control mechanism in the Council and to ensure compliance of rules, acts, procedures, policies, and the Council by each of the departments, and to improve the efficiency in functioning and also to protect the Council from occurrence of fraud, waste of resources, we have created an international audit section during the year 2024. The internal audit section has started functioning independently from September 2023. Further, the new National Office building of JHADC have been completed and the same was inaugurated on the 5th December 2023. During the current financial year 2023-24, the Council could implement 363 schemes from water tank, drainage, check dam, fishery pond, ambulance, water canal, solar street light, school building, community hall, sanitation, public toilet, playground, footpath, washing platform, etc. in different localities of the JHADC state. In conclusion, I'd like to say that this executive committee is committed to lead this council in the right direction and to provide clear and effective administration to uplift the people of JHADC state. Therefore, I appeal to all the honorable members to render good cooperation and work hard for securing smooth administration of the council and for bringing up peace, harmony, prosperity, and development in all spheres of both the district of JHADC. Lastly, Mr. Chairman Sir, I'd like to express my gratitude to you and all the honorable members of this House, officers and staff of our council, for the continuous support they have extended towards the executive committee for the last 5 years, at which the difficulties arising out of financial constraints